Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing really very well. Now in today's video, I am going to show you how I transformed one of my leggy croton to a bushier one. Now this is not the same plant whatever I am going to show you. This is one of my other croton plant and you can see it's growing very well and at the same time it's also looking quite bushy. Now this is the plant which I am going to transform and you can see it's growing really very leggy way, not looking attractive at all, and it's a kind of it's going to touch the sky. So I need to do something so that I can make it more bushier and that way it's going to look much more attractive. So let's take a look at the things that I am going to do. Very first, going to prune my plant and I do it really very hard way. Next, there are few other things and keep watching to know more. You don't have to feel anything bad about pruning because we can get better results by pruning our plants on a regular basis. By the way, if you haven't checked out my video about hibiscus pruning where I have shown how to prune the branches and roots for better results, then please do check out that video as I really believe you are going to see the results. For time being, I am going to keep the pot as it is and you have already seen that I got a very long stem as well. I mean top part of the plant. So next what I am going to do is I am going to make 3 pieces and then going to keep all the cuttings in just normal tap water. So here you came to know about one more thing, that we can grow croton plant from cuttings very easily and that too in water. So now keep watching, I am going to show you the updates very soon. Like I said you before, as you can see my plant has produced some new branches and from now onwards it's going to look much more bushier. Let's also take a look at the cuttings that I kept in water. Out of 3 cuttings, I can see good roots in one cutting. The second one is also okay, but I don't think it's going to make it. But anyway, I am going to plant both cuttings and plant together. This time going to use a bigger container and I am using a 10-inch soft pot. If you are wondering about the potting soil mix, then please note that croton grows well in any kind of soil and even in clay soil they do quite well. For my potting soil mix, I am doing it very basic way and that is 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and other 25% coco peat. That's it, it's quite easy as you can see, and now let's take a look at the final result. So guys, here is the final result and you can see my plant is looking quite bushier. We can say that the present plant is not even comparable to the plant whatever we have seen in the first part of this video. Unfortunately, one cutting did not make it. As you can see, it's already dried. Anyway, it's totally my fault. I kept the pot directly on terrace just after planting the cuttings. I should have waited for some more days, and I should have kept the pot in bright area for next few days at least. But anyway, I would say that plant is looking quite beautiful, as you can see, and leaves are also looking very attractive, and the other cutting is growing really very well. So guys, it was a very short video and I just wanted to show you two things in one video. That means if you have leggy croton plant at your home, then please don't worry about pruning it. You can do it very easily, and I have also shown you how you can grow the croton plant from cuttings in plain water. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you so much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.